Good evening everyone and welcome to today's video on the pound. GBPUSD is trading near 1.3350 to 1.3375 levels, close to a 3-month low. This the pound remains under pressure due to changing interest rate expectations, geopolitical tensions and weaker UK growth projections. Markets recently expected the Bank of England to cut interest rates in March. That probability has dropped sharply from 75% last week to now around 20%. Rising energy prices linked to tensions involving Iran have increased inflation risks. Because of this, the Bank of England may delay rate cuts. Now, the UK Office of Budget Responsibility has also lowered its 2026 GDP growth forecast from 1.4% to 1.1%, while growth expectations improve slightly for 2027 and 8. The weaker near-term outlook adds pressure on the pound. Government borrowing and inflation are still expected to decline gradually. The US and Israeli forces recently launched strike on Iran, raising tensions in the Middle East. So Iran signaled willingness for talks through intermediaries, which briefly improved market sentiment. But during the period, equities rose while US dollar index fell from 99.68 to 98.80. However, uncertainty remains high. This keeps geopolitical risk elevated and supports the demand for the US dollar. Now, the recent economic data shows stronger momentum in the United States compared to the United Kingdom. UK services PMI slipped slightly from 54 to 53.9 in February. UK composite PMI also remained at 53.7, which still signals modest growth. But US services PMI rose to 56.1, indicating stronger expansion, and US ADP payrolls increased by more than 63,000 jobs in February after only 11,000 in January. So now coming to the technical outlook, GBPUSD pair has fallen from January high of 1.3866 to now around 1.3252 levels. Most technical indicators still remain bearish. The pair trades below the 50-day EMA. RSI also dropped from 76 in January to around 35 now, showing strong downside momentum. Key levels are support near 1.3183 levels and the resistance are near 1.35 levels. A strong US jobs report could push the pair even lower towards 1.3125 or to 1.3131 levels. That's all for this video on the pound. Thank you for watching.